been in different fields in previous government, Somali government. I've been mayor, and then I've been vice minister of marine transport and ports, and then later chairman and CEO of Somali Airlines. So I have a lot of experience in different fields of Somalia, where the country has been destroyed and there was no business for a while. I fled Somalia. I got the opportunity to come to the United States. I started to think about some sort of business. So I started with a grocery store in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and then I moved to Columbus, Ohio, where I had another grocery store and then street malls. I've been in Somalia last year. The reason I went there was to see the progress and the stability of the country. Mogadishu is very peaceful. Somali diasporas are coming back to make business over there. The new government are very dynamic and they are doing their best to accommodate foreign or Somali investors. They are reconstructing or repairing their houses. They are doing manufacturing, transportation. Everybody wants to go to Mogadishu to make some business. There must be some challenge, whatever you do, but the first to come will get the good opportunity. Shuraako, their task is to connect the Somali diasporas willing to make business in Somalia to other investors. So the opportunity is unlimited in Somalia. The people going now back home, they will realize that they will do their own business to make profit and to employ unemployed people in Somalia. I think there is opportunity for everybody to go back as a diaspora and do some work.
Abal